Argan Oil for healthier skin with source. Benefits: add moisture, reduce wrinkles, brighten skin, fade dark spots, cleanse skin. Acure Brightening Day Cream Review. Description: welcome to Skin Wellness. Cica Argan Oil. 100% vegan. 0% questionable. Paraben free. Sulfate free. Mineral oil free. Petrolatum free. Silicone free. Cruelty free. Leaping Bunny certified. All skin types. Suggested use: apply to face, neck and neckline after cleansing and toning. It'll get you glowing. Warnings: for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. If any adverse reaction occurs, stop use and contact your physician. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.